Hey everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So, I'm always excited when this happens. Yay! So what I have planned, first of all, welcome back to all the subscribers and welcome here if you're new. What I have planned for this video is kind of an unboxing and a first impression. So what I want to do is unbox everything that's here and then show it to you, and then tomorrow morning we're going to do a first impressions from my bathroom because this is hair care and skincare, and so I'm going to show you a little bit of my morning routine. So if you like this video and you poke around my channel and you like the content, please consider subscribing. We're building a community here of women who are mature, modern women who celebrate their beauty inside and out, and that's what we're all about. So if you would subscribe and join us, that would be awesome. And don't forget to like. Before we get started, I thought I'd share with you this view from my balcony tonight. I'm filming at night after work, and there's a cruise ship. Can you see it? I live close enough to see the cruise ships from my balcony. So there's the cruise ship and a beautiful sunset. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, back to business. I got distracted there because I could see the sunset and it was so pretty. So I just thought I would share it with you. So let's get back to unboxing the box. So I ordered two products from two brands that I've never tried before. So this is quite exciting for me. The first one is from Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil is a company, a brand that I haven't tried before. There it is. So this is their Hydration Mediterranean Escape. Sounds delightful. Look, you get this cute little, isn't that cute? So cute. There'll be links to everything down below in the description box if you're interested. But I thought, like, first of all, nice gift for me. But wouldn't this make a nice gift for somebody else too, for Christmas, or if somebody has a birthday coming up? I thought it would be great. So here's how it opens up. It's all packaged up. Inside we have some sample size products. Now, I should explain why I do this. I like the fact that Sephora has all these great sample sizes of everything. I shouldn't talk over the paper. There. Okay. I love that Sephora has sample sizes of everything, or a lot of things anyway, because you can try it out and that way you're not spending a fortune on something that turns out you don't like. Like I just recently spent a fortune on a setting spray that I don't like. And now I'm stuck with a, full bottle of setting spray that cost me a lot of money. So when I can, I like to try out the samples first. And then if I like something, I can always buy the full bottle. So with the Moroccan Oil we have, let's start here. Shampoo and conditioner. So I've been using some shampoo from my hairdresser, but I thought I'd give these a try and try them out. So this is the hydrating shampoo for all hair types, color safe, sulfate and phosphate and paraben free. That was important to me because I have quite damaged hair and I know that all the sulfates are really bad for my hair. So that was something that was important to me when I read about these things. And it says it's a gentle cleansing moisturizing formula that infuses dehydrated hair, which is what I have, with antioxidant argan oil and replenishing nutrients, adding smoothness, manageability, and shine. So then we have this Moroccan oil treatment, which I thought would be delightful. So apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair style as usual. So I think this is going to be really nice for my dry hair prior to using the heat products, which I do use, because if I don't, I have flat, stupid looking hair. So I use them. And it says it's alcohol free, which is good because that means it's not drying. So very good. And last but not least, I got this fragrance mist for hair and body. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. So let me just open it up. Ooh, let's see. It smells really good. It smells great. So nice little spray for your hair and your body. awesome. You can put that in your purse too, which is why I like having the size like this. It's glass too, like it is heavy. So, but that'll fit in your purse, and you can spray your hair and your body. It's a little bit summery smelling for the winter, but I don't care. When I feel like a vacation at my desk, I'll just spray. So that's the Moroccan oil. I'm going to put it all back in this cute little pouch now, and I will use it for you tomorrow morning. So moving on, I have some skincare. So this is from, this is how it's packaged in the box. This is from Tatcha, which is a brand that I wasn't familiar with, but I'd heard a lot about from other YouTubers, and so I thought I would give them a shot. Again, these are sample sizes. Comes out like that. There's what it looks like. Okay, so in here we have, look how cute they are. The lovely purple that Tatcha is known for. So this is the soft cream cleanser, the rice wash, which I thought sounded really interesting. It says for normal to dry skin. My skin tends to go a bit dry, especially in the winter months, so I thought this would be good. pH neutral cream cleanser of rice and hyaluronic acid that gently purifies while moisturizing. Add water to create a rich foam and massage onto face and then rinse. Sounds delightful. How does it smell? I don't think it smells like anything. All I can smell is Moroccan oil. And then this is the replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. So the Dewy skin cream it's called. Cute, cute, cute little container, hey? Oh, there we go. We'll open this up. Oh, look, the cream is lavender colored. That's really pretty. And again, no smell to it. So I will try these out tomorrow morning as well. After I have my shower and use my Moroccan oil things to do my hair, I will use these on my face. So stay tuned. We're going to time travel now to tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. So as promised, here's the morning routine. I've had my shower and I used the Moroccan Oil shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and I have to tell you it's quite nice. It's not as scented as I thought it would be, but it does have a pleasant light scent, so that was very nice. The conditioner made my hair very silky, which is up in this turban now, so I'm going to carry on with my routine as I normally would, and that means I would do my skincare now. So I've got the Tatcha rice wash here. I'm going to use it. I'm going to rub it into my hands first, and then on my face. This does smell, has a very nice kind of citrus peel smell, I would say. Slightly granular texture, which is nice. Take out warm cloth. Go. The moisturizer in this lovely lavender color. It's a little bit in the cap, so I'm going to use it first. It has a nice light texture, so that's nice. Again, the same kind of citrus peel smell, which is refreshing in the morning. So for under my eyes in the morning, I've been using this. This is Dermalect, the under eye cream. I don't have my glasses. Oh, I do have my glasses. It's called the Revitalize Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector Professional Strength. So I like this one for the morning because it has this foot on it, you see? And that kind of gives you a little bit of a massage for your little poochies in the morning. And hopefully makes them go down a bit. I'm almost out of this, so I really have to squeeze. I'll link everything down below if you're interested, but I really like this kind of little, it's metal, so it's a bit cooling. There we go. So time to comb my hair out and see. Oh yes, it's nice and silky. very easy to comb through, so that's a good sign. So now I'm going to try some of this oil, and I'm only going to put it on the ends because I don't want to have greasy up here. I'm going to take a little bit. You can see it's yellow. It's quite thick. Yeah, there are my hands. Yes, it's very much an oil, see? I'm just kind of run that through the ends. Ready to blow dry. I wanted to mention one trick I learned way back when I was younger. I think I read it in a 17 magazine or something, that you should always do your skincare and put your moisturizer on before you blow dry your hair, because the air is very drying, and if you have your moisturizer on your face, it protects your face from getting too dried out from the heat and the, you know, the air of the blow dryer. So I've always done that. It's just become a habit now, but I just thought I'd pass that along. So lovely, right? What I do is I dry my hair halfway, partway, then I go get dressed, and I come back and I finish it off with a curling brush dryer. So I'll be right back. So here I am at the office with my final look for today, after sampling and giving my first, I'm going to give you my first impressions on the Moroccan Oil hair care and the Tatcha rice wash and the moisturizer. So let's start with hair care. So here's my hair. I did use a flat iron. It's a little bit limp, I would say, but it feels very nice. And I'm in my office, so the ends are pretty good. So it's okay. I think it's a little flat. I would have to use another product, I think, to get the volume I like. You know, it's also because my hair is getting too long and I do need to get it cut, but I would say it's a little heavy for my hair, but I'm going to keep trying it, and we'll see how it fares by the end of the month when I do my review of everything that I've tried this month. As far as the skincare goes, I really like the rice wash. I thought it was really awesome. They both have a pleasant scent that's kind of a citrusy peel scent, to my nose anyway. And it is quite, like, my skin feels nice and moisturized and smooth. So I would say thumbs up for both of those products. They aren't anti-aging, so I'm going to use them for day wear, and I will keep with my stronger skincare products at night. So I think that's what I will do for now. And again, I will have a full review of the Tatcha things that I've bought at the end of the month. So stay tuned for that. You say bye-bye to the people? Mommy's running late, so we gotta say bye-bye. Bye-bye, people! Bye-bye. Okay. Okay. Good girl.